Hi guys, it's Savas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm going to show you how to find your old post on Facebook. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to find your old post on Facebook. So let's get started. So guys, to find your old post on Facebook, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search bar Facebook and simply click on first link. So guys, here you can see our Facebook homepage. So guys, you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on account. Now in this option you have to simply click on your profile. So guys, this is our old Facebook post. So finding your old post from here takes lots of time. So what you have to do, you have to simply go back to homepage. Now type in search bar your profile name. So here you can see our username is 20 startups. So type here 20 startups. And press enter. So guys, here you can see this is our account. So to find post, here you can see the option of posts. So click on post. So guys, here you can see our whole post. So finding from here takes lots of time. So what you have to do, you can see the option of date posted. So simply click on it. So from here you can select the year, means that which year's post you want. So for example, I want 2022 post. So here you can see all the posts that I have posted in 2022. So guys, here you can see we have find old posts on Facebook. So you can also find old posts on Facebook by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.